Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment located here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Ferris model ISX-3300 zero-turn mower with a 40 horsepower Vanguard engine EFI. You can find this mower as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. So as you can see here, we have the Ferris ISX-3300 zero-turn mower with a 40 horsepower Vanguard engine EFI. So this unit is fuel injected. This is a full commercial unit. This unit here has a 72-inch cutting deck. This deck is fabricated. Come with cast iron spindles, which are greasable. Here on the ISX model, so you have the stabilizer bars located here in the front. They used to have a model, a IS-3200Z, so then they've gone to the ISX-3300. Also, this unit comes with a suspension seat located here. You adjust that by turning the knob here to the right to increase, or to the left to decrease. This unit comes with 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Also included on both sides are a gas gauge as well. Each tank holds 5.5 gallons of gas. This comes with 26-inch rear drive tires, as you can see here. Also, again, I told you we have the Vanguard fuel injected engine. Again, it's a 40 horsepower. That's new for this unit and for the year 2021. This also has the oil guard system on it. The oil guard system is to have the oil change in intervals of 500 hours. And also to toggle between the gas tanks, you have this switch located here in the rear behind the seat. And turn the knob of which tank you want to pull the gas from. Transmissions on this unit are the Hydro Gear ZT5400s. Now here on the right hand side you have your control panel. On that control panel you have your PTO switch, which engages and disengages the blades. You have your hour meter located here, your ignition switch, and your throttle. On your throttle, to increase the speed, press up, and to decrease, press down. Also, you have your parking brake located here on the right hand side as well. And also to adjust your seat here on the right hand side, you have the lever located here. Just pull that in and it slides it frontwards or backwards. Cutting heights on this unit is 1.5 to 5 inches, and that's adjusted by pulling the pin, setting your cutting height. And then you have your foot assist here. You push down on that, release this lever, and that lowers the deck on whatever height you have it set on. Again, you have your rubber grass chute as well. That comes standard. Warranty on this unit is 4 years or 500 hours, whichever comes first, and 3 years on the engine. So again, this is a 72-inch unit, so this is definitely for your large properties. Again, this is a full commercial unit. It gives you a great, comfortable ride. So again, this is the Ferris ISX-3300 with the 40 horsepower Vanguard engine EFI with the oil guard. So if you guys have any further questions, definitely give us a call. That number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.